Today I will be reviewing the LEGO Indiana Jones Ambush in Cairo set. It comes with 4 minifigures. Indiana Jones without his jacket. He comes with a gun and a whip. You may not be able to see it, but his shirt is somewhat open. It also comes with Marion Ravenwood. She comes with a pan, and her face is different. It's a double-sided face. She has a scared and happy face, which is pretty cool. It's also cool that she has a new outfit. It even comes with a Cairo thug. That has a ninja hood on, and you can hold his machine gun on the back of it. The final minifigure, which is another great minifigure to this set, is the Cairo Swordsman, the one that Indy battles in the movie. Overall, the Swordman minifigures in this set is pretty good, especially considering it's a $11 set. This is set number 7195, and it comes with 79 pieces. Now on to the other stuff. The cards. This is the card that's in the movie scene. It's pretty real, pretty authentic to the movie. Another cool feature is that there's hay. There's a barrel that even a minifigure can fit in. Which is great. And comes with a stall and 2 apples. I added the banana there. Overall, the set is a great set to buy. And the price is reasonable. The only cons are that the apples don't stay in the way the box shows, and the fact that there's only 2 pieces of fruit and produce. But other than that, everything else is great in this set. There's nothing else wrong with the set other than that. Overall, I would give this set 4.7 out of 5.0 bricks. I especially like the fact that Indy does not have a jacket on. He usually has a jacket in the LEGO sets, and I have so much Indy's jackets I had that I wanted a different Indy. The Cairo thugs are authentic to the movie. Every single minifigure, including Marion, is great. I'd highly recommend this set to people. If you can find it, buy this set. It's an awesome set to own. Good places to check for the set are Target and Walmart. I like the fact that you get a few rare pieces in this set as well.